Hey, kindergarten friends, happy Wednesday. We have a sort of a quick math one today in our math book. We're just going to do 9.11. We're going to skip 9.12 and just do a little work in our green packet today. Can you please open up to chapter 911, lesson 911, page 553. 553, 553. And it's going to look like this. Your job is to identify shapes with 4 sides and 4 vertices and color them green. Your next job is to find shapes with no sides and no vertices and color them blue. Your last job is to find shapes with 3 sides and 3 vertices and color them red. Go ahead and pause your video now, and then we're going to do an activity next on the next page. So if you need to pause and color yours in, do it now. We're sorting them, and then once we sort them, we will go to the next page and do some more sorting. Great job, you guys. All right. Welcome back. You've unpaused the video. We're going to talk about alike and different. And I'm going to start with this shape right here, a rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and put a rectangle on the top of my paper so that I know I'm going to say how are things like the rectangle and different from the rectangle. Are you ready? So I'm going to hold up a shape, and you're going to draw it in alike or in different, and we'll talk about it. Are you ready? Is this shape alike or different than the rectangle? What has 4 sides and 4 vertices? My guess it is alike. I agree. So I'm going to draw a square in alike. Awesome. What about the circle? Where would you draw the circle? Alike or different? Different. I agree. It's nothing like that one.
Mommy, are you bubblegum?
A little piece, yes. So the circle is different because it has no sides and no vertices, and the square is like because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Let's take a look here and look at this rhombus. What do you think? Alike or different? I agree. It's very similar. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So I'm going to draw it on the alike side.
Thank you.
Okay. So now I have a rhombus and a square and a circle and different. All right, let's take a look at this. The trapezoid is a little weird. This is called a trapezoid, but let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. I'm going to teach you how to draw a trapezoid. They're a lot easier than you think. Watch this. You draw a short line and a long line down below, and you connect the 2 sides like this, and that's a trapezoid. I put it in alike because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices like the rectangle. How about this one? This one's called a parallelogram. It's sort of like a rhombus in a way, but it goes like this. It's a parallelogram. What do you think, alike or different? Alike, I agree. So I'm going to draw it over here. Here's how I draw this one. It's almost, I just draw it off-centered a little bit, like that. There you go. Last one, alike or different? Different. 3 vertices, 3 sides, I agree. It's different. I'm going to draw it on the different side. You guys are getting so good at this. And that's where we're going to stop. You can go ahead and close your book. You can keep it. You can turn it in at your next packet pickup, whatever you would like. So I will close this, set it to the side, and then I'm going to get out our math packet. In your math packet, you have something called 2D shape features. If you could open up to this page, that would be awesome. If you need to pause it, that's okay. I'll hold it here for just another minute. You can pause it so that you see what it looks like. And then we're going to do some work together. Awesome. Okay. Welcome back. We are on 2D shape features. And I have with me to help us is Mr. Buggly Eyes. Hey, boys and girls. All right, Mr. Buggly Eyes and I are going to look at our shapes. We're going to name them, talk about how many sides and how many corners they have. Remember, corners is a simple word for vertices. We're going to work with vertices. So let's look at a circle. Oh, I gave it away, Mr. Boggly Eyes. Silly me. What shape is that, Mr. Boggly Eyes? Circle. Mr. Boggly Eyes, how many sides does this circle have? Why are you shaking your head? Circles don't have sides. Oh, that's right. So what number should we write there? 0. Awesome. So we'll write a 0 there. All right. Cease no more, please. okay? No more gum. So a circle has zero sides. Mr. Boggly Eyes, what about corners or vertices? No? Oh, he says there's none. Okay, I agree with him. No corners, no sides, no vertices. All right, Mr. Boggly Eyes, what is this next shape called? It's a triangle. That's right, you guys. That's a triangle. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3. 3. Good job. So we're going to write 3 sides. And then we're going to count how many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Good job. Ooh, Mr. Boggly Eyes, what's the next shape called? Yes, you're right. Rectangle. Good job. Let's count the sides, Mr. Boggly Eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Good job. We're going to do a 4 on the sides. Let's count how many vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Good job. Ooh, this is interesting. 0 sides, 0 corners. 3 sides, 3 corners. 4 sides, 4 corners. Let's look at the square. Cece, no. Put it back. Put it back, please. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 vertices. How cool is that? We're going to try for one more. Are you guys ready? We're going to look at the pentagon. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, Mr. Boggly Eyes. Good job. How many vertices? Ooh, my 5 is crazy looking. I almost wrote a 4. Let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again? 5. Awesome. Spit it out. You can't eat it. Cece's trying to eat the gum, not chew it. All right. So what you can do is this one gets a little more difficult. Try it on your own though. Count those vertices, count those sides, and then write in how many sides and how many vertices. All right, remember the vertice is where it meets up, right there. And the side is where it's flat. So go ahead and count those and see. The star is really tricky. Okay, then I'm going to challenge you to try this one on your own too. Count how many sides and circle the number to show how many sides. All right, you guys are amazing. There's 2 sides of that too, so that's a lot of fun that you can do. All right, thank you for working with me today on your shapes. I can't wait to see your wonderful work, and I know you're doing amazing things. Thank you so much for staying positive and learning, and I will see you tomorrow for a little more on shapes.